like this. Can you read what we have on the screen?
Flew away.
So do you have an answer to that?
Yes.
Okay, can we try?
I talked to both Camille and I also talked to Michael that I wrote about in the email.
Okay.
And they said they were both interested in doing a project if you wanted.
Wow. Okay. Good evening. Thank you. There's no chair for you.
Lounge for now until the chairs come. Yeah, please, so that you don't keep standing.
There's a media guy here. Sorry. Hi, Gomino.
And someone in the comments was saying, oh, bring Congress Friday to Lagos. And I responded and said, oh, Lagos has all the tech events going to there. So let us, that are under stage, as tech people like to see.
It's my first time, so like talking about Congress Friday. My name is Austin Nede, and
All right. So we're gonna have a great conversation with Anil, and I want you guys to really take advantage of this opportunity.
So let me lay the foundation of what Intl is and what we do and how we do it. So Intl is a global inception VC firm, which means that we do things slightly different from what traditional VCs do. Traditional VCs are interested in metrics. They're interested in how much you have grown month on month, what is your MRR, ARR, things like that. What we are saying is this the best founder?
For me, innovation in one word would be to create.
Provocative.
Rescue tap.
Value. Phenomenal. In one word means solution.
So you've heard it all from the young innovators. Now I would like to ask you, what does innovation mean to you? But hold your thought. Before you answer that, I would like to introduce a book to you. Yeah, you read right. The Blueprint for Value Creation by Dr. Obichi Obiajonwa. No words. Not only did this book go deeper into what innovation is, it gives you the blueprint, step-by-step guide as to how to master innovation. It doesn't matter the field you are in. This book answers every question, every doubt. Chapter 1 talks about innovation. I still have that in my head. As a researcher, I had to use those steps to get, the end goal. If you can lay your hands on this book, I promise you, you would have no regrets. And you wouldn't deny that the back of the book is already telling you what to expect inside it. This book answers the question. Now over to you. Let us know, what does innovation mean to you? So for those of you who do not know, I have a second channel. If you want to see me do one of my jobs, you can search School of Mathematics Nigeria. I'm now very open to talking about it. So this is my setup. I've not posted in 2 months or more. I do this thing where I get so busy, I do other things, I forget my baby. So this is my baby, my first baby, the baby that changed my life for good. And we've not scratched the surface yet, that I know for sure. So this is behind the scenes. It's a shoot day. It's shoot day. I and my team were going to try to make this work, and hopefully we dish out clean, nice content as we go. I am impressed with this setup. I've never seen this video this clean. I don't know what it is, or maybe it's my glow, who knows. all right, bye. So it's the International Girl Child Day, and we're at Royal Anchor Estate. Representing. I'm a volunteer. I don't even know what to say. It's been a long morning planning for stuff, not easy.
You know the richest women in the world? So when somebody says a skill, you don't do In fact, it's encouraging when you learn a skill. Make sure that while you go to school, you learn a skill. You are either learning to make hair, you are learning to probably do makeup, you are learning to sew clothes. Just learn a skill. Because while you are going to school, of course you have to buy pads, right? Where do you get the money from? You want to go beg somebody? Okay, so we have a hairdresser. So to wrap up, we know that all of these things, you need to be educated. So we're encouraging you this morning to please go to school. Not just go to school, make sure you listen while you are being taught. My name is Rose and it was nice speaking to you. Miss Rose! What do you say to Miss Rose? What do you say to Miss Rose?
I'm surprised they put even child 24 because they don't child 24. It's for international.
A future engineer, data scientist, Nigeria.
Thank you.